Today we will be showing you how to replace a tape drive in a Sun L9, L20, L40, and L60 tape library. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. The replacement procedure is the same for all libraries, but for the purpose of this video, we will be using an L9 library to illustrate the replacement. The procedure is the same for both LTO and DLT tape drives. The first thing you will need to do is verify that the faulty drive is unloaded. If there is a tape in the drive, use the front panel menu options to unload the tape from the drive into an open magazine slot. Also, you will need to go into the drive information and find out the SCSI ID of the drive you are replacing and its position in the library. To do this, you will need to compare the serial number of the faulty drive from your backup software to the drives in the library until you find a match. Then you can see the SCSI ID and the location of the drive in the library. Now you will need to power the library off. Push and hold the power button until the power down cycle begins, and the library will cycle down and power itself off. Now you can move to the rear. Once in the rear of the library, you will need to unplug the power cables so as not to cause any electrical short while replacing the drive. Then you will need to locate the drive you need to replace. If this is an L9, there is only one drive. If this is an L20, L40, or L60, the drives are numbered from right to left, top to bottom when looking at the library from the rear. Use the position that you determine from the front panel, locate your drive, and remove the SCSI cable and/or terminator from it. Now you can undo the thumb screws holding the drive in place in the library. Once they are undone, you can pull the drive straight back and out of the library and set it to the side. Then you can take the replacement and line it up in the empty drive bay and carefully push it in. Once the drive is fully seated, tighten down the thumb screws to secure the drive in the library. Now reconnect the SCSI cable and/or terminator to the back of the drive. Then plug the power back into the power supply and return to the front of the library. Power the library on and allow it to initialize fully and make sure it comes up clean without any errors. Then go into the drive information for the drive position you replaced and ensure that the SCSI ID is still set the same as it was previously. If it is not, change it to match what it had been prior to the replacement. Now the administrator may need to rescan their hardware and/or reconfigure their backup software for the replacement drive. Any questions in regards to backup software should be directed to their software support or manufacturer. If you are having any issues with your drive replacement, please contact us directly. If your machine is subscribed to Rocket Plus, please open a ticket through your Rocket Plus customer portal. If not, we may still be able to help you. Please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.